This is a 1981 300SD. It's a milestone car. It was the first W126 with the diesel introduced in the United States market. The tag actually says manufacturing date 12/1980. So it's a very early model. And the question here today is this car worth saving? I know the color is kind of a love-hate relationship. Some people really like this color, by the way. It's, should I say, very period-oriented. Now, the first thing I want to do is I just want to show you a little bit of the interior. It does have that chocolate brown leather. The body is not too bad. There's no rust. There's no major body damage. There's some clear coat coming off the hood here because the hood's been repainted. So there's probably been a little body damage up front. But let's just do a quick walk around on this car. You can see the leather is starting to deteriorate. It's a lot better than some I've seen. The driver's seat's not too badly broken down, but you can see the tear in the leather over on the passenger front seat. So the seats are, well, kind of so-so, and it really is hard and gets kind of expensive to have to repair this leather. I was going to try and open this back door to show you the rear seat. It's torn up, but the vacuum door locks don't work. Just the front door feels like it's almost disconnected from the vacuum system. No motors running. And this, I've reached in here and I can't even pull it up. So we've got 3 doors locked on this car that I can't get open. By the way, if you've got a W126 and are having problems with these vacuum door locks, I do have an on-demand video, a lengthy video manual on how to repair the system. You can check that out on my website. Okay, so sorry you don't get to see the back seat. Let's move up to the engine now. All right, let's fire this engine up and see how it sounds. What was that? Let's try it again. Oh man, we got a real problem here, folks. Well, does anybody want to venture guesses what may be wrong here? It could be something serious. We're going to roll it into the shop and take a real close look at it. In the meantime, I'd like you to make a guess. After what you heard, I want you to guess what you think is wrong with this engine. We'll come back in the next part in this video series and we'll show you what we find.